I am so excited to make this video for you today because the results I've been getting from using this mantra have truly been incredible and unexplainable. So naturally, I just had to share it with you. In this video, I will show you this mantra and show you how to use it and how it works, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. My whole channel is all about law of attraction, manifesting, meditations, and more, so be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you. So I didn't initially realize this until the other day, but in the course of time since I started using this mantra, I manifested over $10,000, and I want to share how I did it. The reason it took me so long to realize was because it wasn't all at once. It didn't just show up out of nowhere. I didn't just get like a check or a deposit for that amount, so it really wasn't obvious to me at first. But this is where I want to start off this video. I feel like so many people are manifesting amazing things without even realizing it. Very similar to how most people don't typically give themselves enough credit, you've probably manifested more than you even realize. Because the law of attraction is always working. Always, always, always working. But if things don't show up in quite the way or manner we expect, it's easy to miss it or not even notice it. There's like this false perception that if it doesn't show up all at once, all at the same time, randomly falling out of the sky or thin air, that it wasn't manifested. But the thing is that you're manifesting always, right now, and right now, and right now. And look at your life right now and realize that everything you're seeing in your external reality is simply a reflection of what you're feeling and thinking internally. It's the yin and yang of life. And think of something that you're currently trying to manifest or the intentions you've set. And instead of desperately looking for them, wondering where they are out of a place of lack, start noticing all of the little signs adding up that it's working. It is much more fun to look for the evidence that it's working versus getting frustrated that it hasn't shown up yet. So take that into account. Because like I said, it is working. But when you're focused on not having it, you start to block it from showing up. How you receive something isn't up to you. So let go of that part. Have fun with it. And if you're with me so far, be sure to hit that little thumbs up button right down below. So I just had to start off with that right off the bat because I really think that this is an important shift that will tremendously help you in your manifesting process. So let me share this mantra and how it all happened. This mantra was actually one of the mantras inside of my Create program a few months ago. Every single month inside of Create, there's a mantra that serves as a main focus for that month. And each month, there are subconscious programming meditations, manifesting workbooks, affirmations, and training videos, and more that all center around that focus for that month. And I like to choose one focus at a time because it keeps your energy in one place and it truly delivers the best results. It simplifies and takes the overwhelm out of manifesting and creates some pretty accelerated and streamlined results because it directs your energy in one way. I should also add that I even do a live Q&A inside that group every single month where you get to ask me your manifesting questions and I help troubleshoot what's going on for you and help people in their manifesting process. Last month was all about collapsing time and speeding up manifesting, but other months we've gone over removing resistance, tapping into energetic frequencies, so many fun topics. And this month is all about getting into the frequency of abundance, and it's amazing. I'm so excited. You can actually get access to all of the previous months too, so I'll leave a link down below for you. So this mantra, though, is extremely powerful because it directly correlates and shifts your expectations about what you get to have. And as I always say, what you expect is what you attract. So here's the mantra and how it works and how to use it. The mantra is, I decide it's all possible and that my success is inevitable. I decide that it's all possible and my success is inevitable. There is this insanely powerful energy behind deciding something, especially behind deciding how your life gets to be. Most people are surrendered to this idea that they are victim to their circumstances, when in reality, you have the power of deciding. Yes, you are dealt with your circumstances, but it's your decision in those circumstances that determines what comes next for you. And once you understand that you have this power, you will never ever come from that victim mentality again that keeps you stuck. I actually started using this mantra about a month before I shared it inside of Create. I had started noticing that I had acquired some limiting, lingering beliefs that had been holding me back from believing certain things were possible, and I didn't like it. And for a stubborn person like myself, I don't like beliefs that tell me I can't do something. And that should be for everyone, because the real work is noticing when things like this are coming up for you. Because manifesting and the law of attraction isn't something you do once and then you never have anything to work through ever again. It's daily work and commitment to observe your energy and your thoughts. And when you notice things that don't serve you, it's finding a way to shift them and see them differently. So when I noticed these beliefs coming up, I wanted to shift them from a place of empowerment. I decided to start using this mantra. I decide it's all possible and that my success is inevitable. I used this every single morning when I woke up and once at night before I fell asleep. I should also add that throughout my day, if I noticed these limiting beliefs coming up, I would repeat the mantra in my mind to remind myself that limits don't exist. But I also didn't do it obsessively or repetitively. It was from a relaxed and receptive space, which is so important. What you feed your mind will determine what you experience. So in this place of relaxed receptivity, this mantra truly went to work for me. I decide it's all possible and my success is inevitable. Within a matter of, I think it was 14 days, I had noticed that I had $10,000 on top of my normal income. It didn't happen all at once. It happened about daily over the course of 2 weeks. And it came from so many different sources that it truly just wasn't obvious to me at first. But the most important thing was that it didn't come from me doing anything. It came from me being differently, from the decision to shift my beliefs about what is possible. And this was the mantra that helped me do it. I highly encourage you to try it for yourself. I decide it's all possible and that my success is inevitable. The more you say it, the more you'll believe it. And once you truly start to believe it, you will see it. Try using this as your focus and commit to it for 1 month and see what shifts for you. And if you're truly ready to accelerate your manifesting and take it to the next level, getting clear on what you need to focus on with a whole support system behind you, I'll leave the link down below for Create. It's truly one of the next best things to working with me one-on-one. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. And be sure to connect with me on Instagram at MKMagicMindset. I share tons of daily affirmations and law of attraction inspiration. And also be sure to check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com, to find out more about my programs, coaching, and more. And I will see you in the next one.